Today we are at Roundhay Park, just waiting to get onto this little train. This is a land train that starts approximately 11 a.m. and runs every 15 minutes, weather permitting, on Saturdays, Sundays, and during school holidays. It costs £2 one way and £3 a return journey. The train travels to the other side of the park and it takes 8 minutes each way. Just waiting for the train to set off.
You need them to come back, okay?
Oh, there's a wolf star!
High five, please. High five. It is quite a lovely journey enjoyed by both adults and children. Hi, Kate. We enjoyed beautiful views, fountains, playgrounds, the lake, monuments, people walking, picnics, park running. It was enjoyable. Kids also experienced the play area and enjoyed some rides too. we completed our experience with ice cream from an ice cream van at Roundhay. And I hope you enjoy this video, and so don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss an adventure. And until next time, cheers and much love.